Hello everyone, this is Nitika, your SST teacher, and today we are going to study environmental pollution. Do you know what is environment? In everything that surrounds us is our environment. It constitutes of all living and non-living thing around us. Our environment consists of living and non-living things like air, water, land, plants and animals. Over time, humans have carried out various activities to suit their need that have caused changes in the environment. In doing so, humans have become the greatest threat to the environment. Threat means problem. The harm caused to the environment is called pollution. There are four main types of pollution: air, water, land and noise. Pollution is made from what? Pollute, which means to add impurities. Pollution is made from what? Pollute, which means to add impurities. किसी भी प्योर चीज में, नेचुरल आइटम में अगर हम कोई इम्प्योरिटी ऐड करते हैं तो हम उसे पॉल्यूट कर देते हैं. दैट इज क्लियर. एंड जो इम्प्योरिटी हम ऐड करते हैं उसे पॉल्यूटेंट बोलते हैं. एंड इफ वी ऐड these pollutant in the water, it is water pollution. And if we add these pollutant in air, it is air pollution. If we add these pollutant in the land, then it is land pollution. And if we add these pollutant in the sound, then it is noise pollution. Is that clear? Now in this slide we'll study about air pollution. The mixing of harmful gases, dust, smoke and other particle in air is called air pollution. यहाँ harmful gas, dust, smoke and other particle क्या हैं? Pollutants हैं. इनको जब air में add किया जाता है तो then it is air pollution. Okay? Breathing polluted air causes disease like asthma, cough, shortness of breath. This is short term effect. Clear? And long term effect is your lung cancer, respiratory condition and cardiovascular disease, means heart diseases. Causes of air pollution: sandstorm, volcanic eruptions, forest fire and pollen from plants and flowers are natural causes of air pollution. The main cause of air pollution, however, are human-made factors. Smoke from factories, vehicles, burning of fuels, firecrackers pollute the air around us. ठीक है, जो व्हीकल से आपकी स्मोक निकलती है, फैक्ट्रीज से जो निकलता है, ये सारी चीज़ क्या करते हैं? फायर क्रैकर जो आप पटाखे वगैरह चलाते हो, ये सारा क्या होता है? एयर पॉल्यूशन क्रिएट करता है. ठीक है. नाउ in this graph you can see that industry is the highest source of emission, and next to it is transport, and then it is vehicle, transportation or vehicles. Sometimes these pollutants combine with natural substances. For example, smog, which is the combination of smoke and fog. Smoke and fog. Delhi smog is common nowadays during winters. It look like a cloud and make the air hazy. Hazy means धुंधला होता है. It is very harmful and causes breathing problem. Delhi smog is nowadays in news. Air fact wise, fog or volcanic smog is a form of air pollution caused by gases that are released when a volcano erupts. Fog is caused when it is caused during the volcanic eruption. Air pollution also harm plants. Due to presence of pollutant in the air, plants do not get enough nutrient. They grow slow. Their growth slow down. They become weak and eventually they die. In this slide, we'll study about water pollution. When harmful substances are discharged into the water bodies, they cause water pollution. Fresh water, salty water and groundwater can get polluted. Causes of water pollution. Sometimes water pollution is caused by natural factor. For example, storm often cause soil and other particles to dissolve in water. This pollutes the water. It cannot be used for drinking and cooking. जब स्टॉर्म मीन्स आंधी आती है, देन जो सॉइल पार्टिकल अपने साथ लाती है उससे वाटर को पोल्यूट कर देती है, विच इज़ अनसेफ फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. वाटर पोल्यूशन इज ऑल्सो कॉज्ड बाय ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज. डंपिंग केमिकल वेस्ट फ्रॉम फैक्ट्रीज इन द वाटर बॉडीज. Dumping household waste and untreated sewage in water bodies. Bathing and washing clothes in the river and lakes. Leakage from oil tankers. Water pollution के सोर्स दो तरह के होते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज पॉइंट सोर्स एंड सेकेंड वन इज नॉन पॉइंट सोर्स. नाउ व्हाट इज point source? When we directly discharge pollutant in water, it is point source, and when we do not directly discharge pollutant into water, it is non point source. डायरेक्टली कैसे डिस्चार्ज हुआ इंडस्ट्रीज में? जो इंडस्ट्रीज डायरेक्टली केमिकल एंड वेस्ट मटेरियल वाटर बॉडीज में डिस्पोज करती हैं. एंड इनडायरेक्ट कैसे हुआ? हमारे घर से जो वेस्ट डिस्चार्ज होके वाटर बॉडीज में जाता है वो इनडायरेक्ट सोर्स होता है, क्योंकि डायरेक्टली नहीं मिलता है वो बड़े वाटर बॉडीज से. वाटर पोल्यूशन इज वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर प्लांट, एनिमल एंड ह्यूमंस. जो लाइक now like aquatic animals, jaundice, gastroenteritis, typhoid are disease caused by drinking polluted water. Some more diseases like diarrhea, vomiting, typhoid, nerve disorder, skin disease, these are caused because of water pollution. Now in this slide we'll study about land or soil pollution. Land or soil gets polluted when harmful substances are released into it. जो भी harmful waste घर का हो या ये सब आप जब बाहर उसे थ्रो करते हो तो ये सब लैंड पॉल्यूशन क्रिएट करते हैं. जैसे प्लास्टिक बैग्स हुआ, टायर्स हुए, ये सारी चीज़ें. लैंड गेट पॉल्यूटेड व्हेन हार्मफुल सब्सटेंस accumulate on it, like solid waste, agricultural waste, chemical waste, radioactive waste, mining and smelting, and construction activities. Causes of soil pollution. Solid waste such as garbage, refuse from forest and agriculture. Forest कट करने के बाद, जलाने के बाद जो वेस्ट छोड़ दिया जाता है उसे. Refuse from mines. Pollution make soil infertile. जो पोल्यूशन है इससे सॉइल इनफर्टाइल होती है और जो क्रॉप या प्लांट ग्रो करना होता है वो प्रॉपरली नहीं ग्रो करता है. इट ऑल्सो हार्म द ऑर्गेनिज्म लिविंग इन द सॉइल. नॉइज पोल्यूशन. एक्सेसिव एंड अनप्लीजेंट साउंड इन आवर इन्वायरमेंट इज कॉल्ड नॉइज और साउंड पोल्यूशन. ठीक है, वो जो कि अनप्लीजेंट, अच्छा ना लगे, चुभे कानों में, दैट इज योर नॉइज पोल्यूशन. Noise is harmful to all living things. It causes stress, irritation, and can also lead to loss of hearing. The intensity of sound is measured in decibel. The softest sound we can hear is about 20 decibels. Any sound louder than 90 decibel is harmful. Now, look at this image. These are the examples of noise pollution. Causes of noise pollution: car and bus horns, loudspeaker and loud music, home appliances such as vacuum cleaner, washing machine, air conditioner and mixer grinder, firecrackers. These all are causes noise pollution. Damage to the environment affect us directly. We must do whatever we can to protect our environment. Controlling pollution is crucial for life to continue on this planet. Damage to the environment affect us directly. जो भी डैमेज हम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं इन्वायरमेंट को, वो डायरेक्टली हमें इफेक्ट करेगी. We must do whatever we can टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर इन्वायरमेंट. वो सब हमें करना चाहिए जिससे हम अपने इन्वायरमेंट को बचा सकें. कंट्रोलिंग पोल्यूशन इज क्रूशियल फॉर लाइफ टू कंटिन्यू ऑन दिस प्लैनेट. अगर हमें सर्वाइव करना है, इस प्लैनेट पे रहना है, तो पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. दैट्स वी शुड बी इको फ्रेंडली टू आवर इन्वायरमेंट इन ऑर्डर टू save our environment. We should use all those things which is helpful for our environment. And that's all for this chapter. I hope you all have understood this chapter. If you have any doubt, please do let me know. Thank you.